Many towns and cities across Missouri struggle with a common problem: derelict vacant properties. Problem properties are frustrating. They make neighbors feel unsafe. They lower surrounding property values and make neighborhoods less desirable to potential buyers, leading to a vicious cycle of decline. What few people know is that part of this problem is caused by your county's property tax collection system. And unless we make some important changes, it will only get worse. Meet Joe and Jane. They're looking to fix up a vacant house in their neighborhood. They check out their county's tax sale list, where properties that didn't sell at tax auction await potential buyers. They notice a house on their block is on the list. But as they looked more closely, they discovered the property has been on the list for years and has back taxes that they'd have to pay off. More tax debt than the property is even worth. Plus, their realtor tells them that if they buy a house from the county's tax sale list, the title would most likely have defects. What's this mean? Well, under the current system, previous owners may not have been warned to pay their taxes or risk losing their property. These warnings are called legal notice, and they are constitutionally required before you auction off somebody's property. When that legal notice doesn't go out, title defects form. So they'd have to hire a lawyer to fix the title defects, which could take a year and cost a few $1,000s. Joe and Jane decide the numbers don't work out and walk away. The house continues to sit vacant, no one pays the taxes, and the vicious cycle continues. Missouri's towns and cities need a system that can help them get vacant properties back to productive use. And there's a simple equation to get us there: a judicial tax sale system plus land banking. By choosing a judicial tax sale system, a court would supervise the sale, protecting property owners' rights by ensuring that the tax sale buyer purchases that property free and clear of any liens or title defects. But what about the properties that don't sell at auction? The ones where the tax debt is more than the value of the property. There's actually a solution being used all over the country to solve this exact problem: land banking. A land bank can hold the title to any vacant or tax-delinquent properties that aren't sold at auction. And when these titles enter the land bank, since they went through the judicial tax sale system, they arrive with zero baggage, no tax debt, no liens, no title defects, and no worries. The land bank would be a one-stop shop for vacant properties, maintaining and marketing all the vacant properties it owns. Municipalities and community members could work with the land bank on creative ways to get abandoned property back to productive use. Maybe your neighborhood needs a new park, more small businesses, or more housing options for first-time home buyers. The land bank will be able to take those ideas and seek out partners to help bring them to life. Now let's go back to Joe and Jane. With this new system in place, all they have to do is go to the land bank, find the property that's right for them, make the purchase, and bam! The title is clean and insurable. They don't have to pay any back taxes, and they can get to work rehabbing their house right away. Now that the house has new owners, the county can start collecting taxes on it again. That means more money for schools, first responders, and all the other important work your local government does. Local land banks, coupled with a judicial tax sale system, would empower cities across Missouri to combat vacancy and bring wealth back to their neighborhoods. This legislation would give any Missouri county the opportunity to use a judicial tax sale system and would give cities the ability to create their own local land banks. This new system would be a win for owners and prospective buyers. Judicial tax sale will protect private property rights, giving owners peace of mind knowing they'll get a warning when they're behind on taxes and be given the opportunity to pay and keep their property out of any auctions. And prospective buyers can be sure their new properties are free of tax debt and title defects and are ready to rehab. When we combine a judicial tax sale system with land banking, we help get vacant problem properties back to productive use with the help of the whole community.